Well, we had a wreck. Like a 40 Ford.
We're probably afraid to do that.
Seen him over here going, there's smoke flying. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that was cool. I seen the whole thing. That was alright.
Yeah, I just seen smoke and then he's like going sideways and bonk, hit the guardrail right there. Hit the guardrail right there.
See the excitement.
No. That's a Ford.
Who is that?
I don't know. It's like a 40 Ford. He's
I
been
know
racing.
who's driving it, or the...
I have no idea.
Is that his name?
No. They don't have Fords.
Oh.
Did it break something?
Well, I seen the smoke and then it started going sideways.
So I seen smoke and sideways.
He must have.
Brake stuck on or
Something went on the track then, didn't it?
maybe the rear end broke.
Well, here's a tire mark.
Yeah, you can kind of see the tire marks there.
Just lucky the other guy got out of the way.
Yeah, he's probably
Look,
sitting
he's
there.
put fluid down right there before it even hit the wall.
Yep.
Tranny line probably blew or something.
Wet there on the track.
I'm guessing tranny line probably went, what?
There's fluid in both lanes now.
Be nice if they moved. We could zoom in on the damage.
Damage? Look at where they come through the guardrail.
Yeah, I see the guardrail. Well, we're done racing for a while. Damn it, I was going to go up there. You know, somebody needs some 40 Ford parts.
At least he missed the fucking thing. I had to go right between them.
They're probably in there going, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Bam. That's what I'd be doing. You can see the fenders crunched there, big time. I believe that's the headlight up on top there. Fire baby standing in the way, I won't see it either.
Yep, that's for sure.
Right there, you can see it smashed pretty good on the fender on the passenger side. You got her hooked up yet?
Oh, he's working. He's got his door ahead of it.
Yeah, obviously the wheels screwed up in the fender well.
We really don't get sick of that.
Yeah, shut the door. The hell, he's bouncing. Like, yeah. Yeah, got a lot of leaves in it. I don't think it moved too much. Yeah, it's a 40. I think that hood you had would have worked on that car. There we go. Yeah, they hit right there. Tweak the running board too. Well, there it goes. Let's clean the track time.